Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the land of the rising sun? Japan is a country steeped in tradition, innovation, and natural beauty, offering travelers a captivating blend of ancient culture and modern marvels. But with so many incredible cities to explore, where should you start? Join us as we uncover the top 5 cities to visit in Japan, each offering its own unique charm and allure. From bustling metropolises to tranquil historic towns, these cities are sure to leave you enchanted and eager to discover more. Number 5. Hiroshima, a testament to resilience. Nestled along the picturesque shores of the Seto Inland Sea, Hiroshima is a city with a storied past and a vibrant present. Explore the Peace Memorial Park and Museum, pay homage to the victims of the atomic bombing, and stroll through the charming streets of the historic Miyajima Island. With its rich history, stunning natural beauty, and commitment to peace, Hiroshima offers travelers a poignant and unforgettable journey through Japan's past and present. Number 4. Kyoto, a glimpse into Japan's imperial past. Step back in time and immerse yourself in the ancient traditions of Kyoto, the former imperial capital of Japan. Explore the city's countless temples, shrines, and traditional tea houses, stroll through the serene bamboo forests of Hiroshima, and witness the breathtaking beauty of the iconic Kinkakuji Temple. With its timeless charm and rich cultural heritage, Kyoto offers travelers a glimpse into Japan's storied past and a chance to experience the beauty of traditional Japanese culture. Number 3. Osaka, the culinary capital of Japan. Known as the kitchen of Japan, Osaka is a food lover's paradise, offering travelers a tantalizing array of culinary delights to sample and savor. Indulge in the city's famous street food at Dotonbori, explore the vibrant Kiramanachiba market, and feast on mouth-watering okonomiyaki and takoyaki. With its lively atmosphere, friendly locals, and delectable cuisine, Osaka offers travelers an unforgettable gastronomic adventure unlike any other. Number 2. Nara, where history comes to life. Travel back in time to the ancient capital of Nara, where centuries-old temples, sacred deer, and tranquil gardens await. Explore the UNESCO World Heritage-listed Todaiji Temple, marvel at the towering Great Buddha statue, and wander through the serene grounds of Nara Park. With its rich cultural heritage and stunning natural beauty, Nara offers travelers a peaceful and enchanting escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Number 1. Tokyo, the heartbeat of Japan. Taking the top spot on our list is the vibrant and dynamic metropolis of Tokyo, where ancient traditions and cutting-edge technology collide in a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and flavors. Explore the bustling streets of Shibuya and Shinjuku, marvel at the iconic skyline from the observation decks of Tokyo Tower and Skytree, and immerse yourself in the vibrant pop culture of Akihabara. With its endless array of attractions, world-class dining, and bustling nightlife, Tokyo offers travelers an unforgettable journey through the heart and soul of Japan. There you have it, our top 5 cities to visit in Japan. Whether you're exploring the historic streets of Kyoto, indulging in the culinary delights of Osaka, or marveling at the modern marvels of Tokyo, Japan offers travelers a diverse and enchanting array of experiences waiting to be discovered. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these cities? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration and tips. Until next time, happy travels!